What's up, everybody?
The weekend's almost here.
And we're back with another video.
Something smells good.
You know I like to cook before we head out, but you'll have to wait and see on the other side. Hi everybody, I'm Kim with the Wonderful Weekenders, and we're going camping this weekend. So I try to cook stuff in advance. So today I'm actually going to be cooking some vegan banana coconut French toast. Very easy to do, and my family loves it. So first you just take a very ripe banana and you mash it up. Then you would take one 14-ounce can of coconut milk. Okay. Then you need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. One teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Besides which French toast without cinnamon. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, and we mix this all together. Now the recipe actually calls for French bread. I don't use the French bread. I actually love the Sara Lee Artisanal bread. It is my favorite. It makes very good French toast. So I'm gonna make up this mixture, and I am going to cook up a batch of the French toast. The mixture smells great already, and I will show you the finished product in a few. Be right back. Okay, right now I got the first batch on the grill cooking. Take a look at it. Right, we'll be back to show you the finished product shortly. Okay, so here is the finished product. I do serve it with some sort of fresh fruit, blueberries, strawberries, whatever you like. Also, for those who haven't tried this, I actually bake my bacon. It comes out really crispy, it's delicious, and you don't have to stand over a stove and have it have the grease pop on you. I can't stand that. So if you haven't tried that, try it. You might like it. Also, just another little tip, make sure if you cook this that you actually place it on waxed paper to keep it separated, because it will stick together if you're not serving it right away. In a few minutes I'm actually going to show you another recipe, which is my simply delicious pork. So I'll be back with you in a few. I am back, and as I mentioned in one of my previous videos, me and my Ziploc bags. I have blueberry pancakes in here. I have my vegan coconut banana French toast in this bag. So I love my Ziploc bags. It takes up a lot less space in the refrigerator, and you can see exactly what you're looking for. Makes it easier to find. Now what I'm working on is the simply delicious pork. In this crock pot I have a 3-pound pork tenderloin. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add, I've already put salt and pepper on it to your taste. Okay, what I have here, the recipe actually calls for 8 apples. Well, we work all day. I'm not trying to come home and cut up apples, so I actually found the Chiquita bites. They're already sliced up, washed and ready to use. So I'm just gonna use these instead. So we pour these over top of the pork. I got 2 bags. So then you actually cover the apples with 6 tablespoons of packed brown sugar. This is one of my favorite recipes. I absolutely love it. Okay. Then we actually have 3 teaspoons of the cinnamon and brown sugar mix. Just sprinkle that there. Okay, trying to mix everything all together. And I do add just a little bit of water to it. And what you do is you cook it for about 6 to 8 hours, of course, on low. So I'm getting ready to put this on and then I'm going to bed. So we'll see what it looks like in the morning. See you soon. Good morning. We're back with the finished product. When I woke up this morning, that's all I could smell. So we're gonna take a peek at it. Okay, and this is what the finished product looks like. I can't wait to taste it. I will be serving this recipe with the potatoes that you steam right in the microwave in the bag. They're absolutely delicious. You just cook them in the microwave, check them out and season them however you want. They are just like baked potatoes, except for a lot easier to fix, so you must try these. If you do like the recipe, please comment below. Talk to you soon. So there you have it. Because we're not full-timers, I do like to prepare a lot of my meals in advance. I don't want to do a whole lot of cooking when I'm actually at the campground. We will be putting the recipes in the description below as well.
Yes, and some of those meals we do prepare out at the campground, and I like to prepare some of those meals on the outside using an induction cooktop. That is something new that I purchased, and I'll be doing a review on that in a future video. So, with that being said, we're going to say here's hoping that you have a wonderful weekend, and hope that you like and subscribe. Give us that thumbs up. We really like those thumbs up. So, once again, thank you, and bye-bye.
Bye.
Wait.
I'm sorry. You had to hit me. Good. It's a wrap. I'm hungry.